Another Matchday food review today. Nandos in Loughton. Got the chicken, 2 pieces of chicken, buttered chicken, mash and chips. Make sure you follow Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. All medium sauce. There you are. Chips are delicious. Absolutely delicious, man. Cooked to perfection. Here's the mash. That's what the mash is. Oh, it's spiciest sauce, but there's some mash in it. Now you can't go wrong with Nandos. Okay, boys. Tuck in and enjoy. That's what the chicken knows. Oh, there's chicken and a half. No, still enjoy it. West Ham away. Super Leeds. All the Leeds fans. Nandos. A new restaurant. New place. Delicious. Got to water it down. Lemonade. Sprite. $10 apprentices. Oh, delicious, man. This was needed bank holiday baking horse. Oh, this is the lot, boys. Now, swap over the sauces. Try a bit of this of a medium. That boy. I'll try some of this. That's nice. Nice tangy sauce, man. What more do you want? I shall love you and leave you. Thanks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow,